One is prepared by the cost accountant, one is prepared by the financial expert. They will give the profit as per cost book, profit as per the financial books. Works overhead under recovered in costing. So they have low charge. Definite problem for 10 months. But you must be very, very careful, that's all. When you charge less, costing profit becomes more and financial profit will be reduced to the 10. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania. Call my name Dr. B.S.S. Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Account 5th semester because the session goes in favor of reconciliation statement. What do you mean by reconciliation statement? The profit as per the cost book, the profit as per the financial book should be one and the same. If there is any difference, we have to prepare a statement called reconciliation. Make equal. Profit as per cost book, profit as per financial book should be one and the same. If there is any difference is there, the difference should be rectified by preparing a statement called reconciliation statement. So reconciliation means making equal the profit as per cost book, profit as per financial book. We'll move on to when a concern maintain separate set of books, costing and financial purpose, the profit or loss shown by the cost accountants and may not agree with the profit of the financial account. So one is prepared by the cost accountant, one is prepared by the financial expert. The profit as per the cost book, the profit as per the financial book should be one and the same. So if there is any difference is there, then we have to prepare a statement. That statement we called as reconciliation statement. In order to rectify, a statement is drawn known as reconciliation statement. So there is a difference in the costing, there is a difference in the financial account. You have to rectify what's called by preparing a statement called reconciliation statement. So now we are going to explain why there is a difference, what are the reasons for that and how to rectify. I am going to explain now. Here, some of the items are only financial nature, may not appear in the cost book. Interest on capital we pay. When you pay interest on capital, it will come profit and loss account debit side. The same entry should come in the costing, but it won't come. When the interest on capital comes, naturally what will happen? The profit will be reduced. But in financial book, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit to make the equal. How to make? To bring down the costing to the financial. So we have to charge the interest on capital. I will repeat. Interest on capital is there. That will come profit and loss account debit side. So when it comes to the debit side, naturally net profit will be reduced in the financial account. The same time, in your cost book should be reduced, but that entry is not passed in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit to make equal costing the financial. So costing should be reduced to extent of interest on capital. That's the first one. Then cash discount. Cash, when you see a discount, when you give a discount, what will happen? The profit naturally reduce in financial account, but no entry in the cost book. So once again, cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit. To make equal, costing profit will be reduced. Then fines and penalty. Fines and penalty, what will happen? When you pay, it will come on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Naturally, your profit will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit. To make the equal, costing profit will be reduced. Then donation. We paid the donation. What will happen? Your P&L account will be reduced to extent of that. Because so with the appropriation also, your profit will reduce in financial account, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit, we can reduce. Then dividend and transfer fees is there. When the dividend and transfer fee, naturally what will happen? Financial account will be raised, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing the less profit, financial showing the more profit, increase the costing profit. Then loss on sale of investment on fixed asset. So when any loss comes, it will come on the debit side of profit and loss account. Naturally, what will happen? Your profit will be reduced. but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit, reduce the costing profit. Then bad debt means irrecoverable money. It is nothing but a loss. When a bad debt comes, it will be debited to profit and loss account. What will happen? Your P&L account will be reduced, but no entry in the cash book. Cash book showing the more profit, finance showing the less profit, reduce the costing profit to that extent. Then RBD is one more loss. We are shown on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Your profit and loss account will reduce. No entry in the cost book. Cost book showing the more profit. Financial showing the less profit. Reduce the costing profit. Preliminary expenses written now. It will come on the debit side of profit and loss account. Your profit will reduce. No entry in the cost book. Cost book showing the more profit. Financial account showing the less profit. Reduce the costing profit to that extent. Then goodwill written off. It will come on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Naturally, your profit will be reduced. So costing showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit, reduce the costing profit. So these are all entry which can be passed only in the financial account, but no entry in the cost book. That's why costing showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit. So we take the base of costing, come in, which we arrive the profit of the financial account. So we have to see that if the cost financial profit goes more, costing profit also increase. If the financial profit reduce, costing profit will also be reduced here. Then there's a format here. Reconciliation statement, particular rupees. So first one, profit as per cost book. You take, they will give you the profit as per cost book, profit as per the financial books. First one, over recovery of overhead in costing. So what will happen now? If any overhead, works expenses, works overhead is over recovery, overcharge. When it is overcharge, what will happen? Naturally, your profit will be reduced. But there is an assumption. Your works overhead is 6,000 in financial, but 8,000 in costing book. Who is charging more? Costing is charging more. When the cost charge more, their profit will be reduced. But whereas the financial, they charge only 6 there. So financial profit is more and costing profit is less. To make equal, so costing profit will be added. Then overvaluation of opening stock. More opening stock here, no. More opening stock, the profit will be reduced. But whereas in financial, it is correctly entered, whereas in the cost book, it has been overvalued. More opening stock, profit will reduce. To make equal, profit will be raised. Undervaluation of closing stock. They valued correctly, we valued less, no. When we value less, no, naturally your profit will become down. So to make the equal profit, we'll add the closing stock. Items of income included in financial book. By chance, interest credited in the financial book, profit will be raised. No entry in the cost book, so cost book will also be raised. Dividend received, credited in the financial book, so financial books is raised, but no entry in the cost book is also raised. Bank interest credited in the financial book, no entry in the cost book is also raised. Any amount, dividend received, discount received, your financial account is raised, but no entry in the cost book also be increased. Commission received, what will happen? Your financial account will be raised, but no entry in the cost book is also raised. So increase in financial account, increase in cost book. This one. I think you can follow this. Next. Less under recovery of the overhead. By chance, if you charge overhead less amount, your profit will be increased when come financially they charge correctly, whereas your costing, you charge under recovery. See that? Less recovery. When you say less recovery, your profit will be more and financial profit will be less. To make equal, you are be reduced minus. Undervaluation of opening stock. If you are showing the less opening stock, they are showing 60,000, you are showing the 54,000, your profit will be more. When your profit will be more, their profit will be reduce your profit to the extent of that one. Items expenses including financial book. By chance, in financial books, there was a word called obsolescence. Obsolescence means change of fashion. They charge in financial book, their profit will reduce. But no entry in the cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit, reduce the cost book. Then, goodwill written off. What will happen? Your costing book, financial book will be reduced. Your costing book is showing more profit, reduce the cost book also. So rent paid, no entry in your cost book, no. Cost book showing more profit, financial showing less profit, reduce. Preliminary expense written off. What will happen? The financial account, your financial account will reduce. Your profit showing the more profit in costing, no entry in the financial, reduce the costing. So some of the example. So whatever the difference come, profit as per the financial book. So in examination, no, what will happen? No, they will give the profit as per the cost book. They will give the profit as per the financial book. That should be tally. You start with the costing book, end with the financial book. Slowly we have to do it. We'll go to problem. I will explain very slowly. So this is a problem. Net profit as per financial book, 1,28,755. Net profit as per cost record, 1,72,400. See that there is a lot of differences there. Then come back here. Works overhead under recovered in costing. So they have low charge. Who will low charge? Costing is low charge. When you compare to financial account, who charge less? Costing charge less, financial charges correctly. So how much charge less? 3,120 they charge less. When you charge less, the costing profit becomes more and financial profit will be reduced to the 10. See the word? Works overhead under recovered. They charge the low amount. When you compare to financial assumption, the amount may be 9,120. This is charged by financial account. Whereas costing charge only 6,000. What will happen when you charge less, more profit? We can find the more profit in the cost book, less profit in the financial book. So to make equal, what to do? See that? Works overhead under recovered in costing. So low charge in costing, low charge, more profit. To make equal, reduce this. This should be minus. Then administration overhead recovered in excess, more charge in costing. When you charge more costing, what will happen? Your profit will be reduced when you compare to financial account. Whose profit is less? Costing profit is less, financial profit is more. To make equal, what to do? Add this amount. Then depreciation charge in financial record is 11,200. Depreciation charge in cost book is 12,500. Say. So there are two depreciation here. Depreciation. Who charges more? Cost book. Cost book charge how much? 12,500. FB means financial book charge 11,200. So there is a difference of 1,300. Who charges less? Financial charges less. Who charges more cost? More depreciation, less profit. Less depreciation, more profit. Whose depreciation less here? Financial. To the extent of how much? 1,300 we charge more. What will happen? The cost book? Cost book will be reduced to extent of how much money? 1,300. To make equal, what to do? Add back 1,300. This is 1,000. We already charge how much money? 12,500. Your profit is reduced. You charge more when you compare to financial. They charge correctly. We charge more. Our profit has been reduced to extent of how much money? 1,003. To make equal, what we'll do? We'll add back how much money? 1,300 rupees. Interest received but not included in the cost book. Interest received, what will happen? When you receive the interest, what will happen in financial book? Your profit will be increased, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing the less profit, financial showing the more profit. To make equal, what to do? Add back this amount. Then obsolescence loss charge in fine. Some loss has been charged in the financial book. When you charge in the financial book, what will happen? Your profit will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit. To make equal, what to do? Reduce. Then income tax provided in financial, income tax paid in the financial. When the income tax paid, what will happen to your net profit? Net profit will reduce in the financial book, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit, reduce. Bank interest credited in the financial book. When any amount is credited in financial, your financial profit has been increased. No entry in the cost book. Which showing more? Financial book is showing more, cost book showing the less. To make equal, what to do? Increase your cost book. Depreciation of stock charge in the financial book. Some depreciation is there. You charge in the financial book. What will happen? Your profit will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit, reduce. Then, store adjustment credited in the financial book. Some store adjustment, when you credit in the financial book, what will happen? Your financial account will be raised, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing less profit, financial showing the more profit. To make equal, what to do? Add back. 475. So, we'll repeat now. Net profit as per cost record, 1,72,400. Works overhead means work expenses. Under recovery, low charge. When you say less charge, more profit, more charge, less profit. What's the word? Less charge, more profit, more charge, less profit. So under recovery, less charge in the cost book. So when you charge a less profit, your profit will be raised. But whereas the financial profit will reduce. So whose profit is more? Costing profit is more. Financial profit. What to do? Reduce. This is minus. Administration overhead. Over recovered in excess. Excess you have done. More expenditure you are showing. When you say more expenditure, your costing profit will be reduced when you compare to financial profit. Financial profit is more. Costing profit is less. What to do? Add back. Then depreciation as per financial record, depreciation as per cost book. There's a difference of 1,300. Who charge more? See that? Costing charge more. When a costing charge more, their profit will be reduced to extent of how much money? 1,300. To make equal, add back how much money? 1,300. Then interest receipt, but not including the cost book. Interest receipt, what will happen to your financial book? Financial book will be raised, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing less, financial showing more. To make equal, what to do? Add back. Then obsolescence law. Obsolescence means change of fashion. Some law says they charge only in the financial book. Charge only in the financial book. What will happen to your financial book? Your financial book will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing the more profit, financial showing the less profit. So which profit is more now? Costing. So reduce that. Then income tax provided in the financial books. Income tax paid in the financial. What will happen to profit? The profit of the financial book will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit. To make equal, reduce the cost book. Then bank interest credited in the financial book. When bank interest is credited, what will happen? Your financial book will be raised, but no entry in the cost book showing the less profit, financial showing the more profit. To make equal, what to do? Add back. Then depreciation of stock charge in the financial book 6,000. Depreciation is charged in the financial books only means their profit will reduce. No entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more profit, financial showing less profit. Reduce the cost book also. Store adjustment credited in the financial account. So only in the financial account, what will happen? Your financial account will be raised. No entry in the cost book. So financial profit showing more, costing profit showing less. To make equal, what to do? Add back. So we'll go with the problem now. What is the first one? Net profit as per cost record. Yeah, right. Because net profit as per cost records. See that? What is the net profit as per cost records? 1,72,400. Then add. So yeah, all the plus item one side, minus item one side. That you have to do. First see that. Which is the add? First one. Come back here. This is minus administration overhead. Administration overhead. What's the value? See that? Administration 1,700. Then this is next. See that this administration overhead is over. So how much here now? Depreciation 1,300. This is working out. This over. This is plus over. Next. Interest received. Interest received 8,000. 8,000 is over. Then bank interest. Bank interest 750. Bank. So administration overhead, depreciation, interest received, bank interest, then store adjustment. Stores adjustment 475. Add the figure 1,700 plus 1,300 plus 8,000 plus 750 plus 475. 12,225. Add this. One lakh 84,625. Then less. You go one by one less. So what is the first one? Works overhead. Works overhead. What's the works overhead here? 3,120. This is your one. Next, this minus works for administration, depreciation added, obsolescence loss. Obsolescence loss. What's obsolescence loss here? 5,700. This over. Then income tax provided in financial books 40,300. Income tax 40,300. This over. Bank it. Now depreciation in only in financial book. Depreciation only in financial book. FB. Depreciation only in financial book 6,750. $3,120 plus 5,700 plus 300 plus 55,870. So if I add the figure now, 3,120 plus 5,700 plus 40,300 plus 6,750. 55,870. Minus figure. Total minus figure. So from that figure, what's your figure you got? 1,72,400. 1,72,400 plus 12,225 minus 55,870, 55,870, 1,28,755, 1,28,755. This is as per financial book. See the question. What's your answer? 1,28,000. So we arrive the figure. So what is your cost book shows profit? 1,72,400. You got a profit of 1,28,755. We arrive that figure now. So really we did correctly. We got the figure 1,28,755. Net profit as per financial book. Definite problem for 10 marks, but you must be very, very careful, that's all. What to do? If the financial profit goes more, increase the cost book also. If the financial profit is reduced, reduce the cost book also. So you take the base of cost, arrive the figure of financial. That should be equal, one and the same. See that what I have done? I started like this. This is the problem. Net profit as per cost record, next profit as per the financial book. Works overhead under low charge, more profit in costing. So what to do? Reduce. Administration over recover, more charge, profit is less in the cost book, increase the profit. So there is a difference of 1,300. Who charges more? Costing charges more. Their profit is reduced. Financial profit increased by 1,300. Then interest received, but not in the costing. Interest credited in the financial book. What will happen? Your financial book will be raised. No entry in the cost book. Which showing more? Financial book is showing. Cost is showing less. Increase. Then obsolescence loss, 5,700. Some loss you are charged. What will happen? What will happen to you? That is your profit will be reduced to extent of how much money? 5,700 is there. But no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more. Financial showing. To make equal, what to do? Reduce. 5,700. Income tax provided only in the financial. No entry in the cost book. So when you charge the income tax, what will happen to your finance? Your financial book will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. Cost book showing more profit, financial showing the less profit. What to do? Reduce. Then bank interest credited in the financial. Credited means add, debited means credited in the financial book. What will happen to your financial book? Financial book will be increased, but no entry in the cost book. Which showing more? Financial book should show. Which showing less? Cost book. Increase the cost book. Then depreciation charge in the financial account. When the depreciation charge in the financial account, your financial account will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book. So cost book showing more. Financial book is showing more. Which is the base? Cost book made equal. Reduce. Then store adjustment, credited in the financial book. When the credited in the financial book, what will happen? Your financial book will be raised. No entry in the cost book. Which showing more? Financial book. Which showing less? Cost book. What to do? Add back. 475. So same thing we are doing. Net profit as per cost record, 1,72,800. Administration expenses. Then depreciation, difference in depreciation, cost book and financial book. Then interest received, bank interest, store adjustment. If you add 12,225, if you add the figure, it is 1,84,625. Then works overhead is over recovered. Is a obsolescence loss. Income tax provided only in the financial book. Depreciation provided only in the financial book. So reduce. Total amount is reduced 55,870. Your answer is 1,28,750. Correctly we arrived. We have arrived correctly. 1,28,755. See that? See that? This is your. We started here, arrived here. So definite problem for 10 marks. Definite problem for 10. Very easy. If the costing profit goes more, increase the financial profit. If the financial profit reduce the costing profit also. See that financial and costing comparison, increase, increase, decrease, decrease. But you must understand it's increase or decrease. Once you know this now, we can easily do this. So we have solved the problem. I've explained the format. You have solved the problem now. Very, very easy problem. They are going to give all the problem in one and saying, you must understand increase in financial profit, increase in the cost book, decrease in the financial book, decrease in the cost book. If we do that now, we can arrive the figure because they will give the both. Costing, whether it's right or wrong, we can already understand. We start with the costing book, arrive in the financial book is one and the same. So increase here, increase in financial book, increase in the cost book, decrease in the financial book, decrease in the cost book also. If you made like this, no, it becomes so much easy for you. Okay, I think you understand. I explained the even the opening stock is more, profit will be less. So increase. If the closing stock is profit, closing stock is less, profit will reduce, increase the profit. But we must know both costing and financial account. Then only we can understand. So hope you understand. And we'll solve in the next session. We'll go one more problems. No, we'll solve 2 or 3, 4, 5 problems. No, about the recon. This is the last chapter. Definitely, it will come from the examination point of view because the time is very short. You go with them. Everything is will be strict. Sit in the home. Find out what is the reason we are doing. Definitely, we can arrive the figure. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with another problem.